Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I am gonna show you how you can purchase a game from Steam or Steam Launcher. I am gonna purchase Red Dead Redemption 2. You can buy whatever game you want. First we have to select or add to cart this game to our cart section. As you can see, there are multiple versions of the same game. You can select which version you wanna purchase. I'm gonna purchase the common version, the normal version. You can purchase for yourself as well as a gift. I'm gonna purchase for myself. And this is the payment method section. You can use debit card, credit card and wallet for purchasing this game. I'm gonna use my wallet, but you can use whatever payment method you want. I'm gonna select the prepaid wallet section. As you can see, prepaid wallet domestic, you have to add your name, your city, the location, the post office, the zip code of your area or postal code. Every detail should be added here. Next you have to click continue and your detail will be showed here, and next you have to click continue to Nova Pay. But first you should recheck your detail and click continue to Nova Pay. And as you can see, it will take some time to. As you can see, we have been transferred to the Nova Pay section. You have to add your detail again here, and next click verify my mobile number. Next, a OTP will be sent to your phone and you have to put your OTP here and click submit. I'm gonna quickly put my OTP here and then click submit. As you can see, I have an option to select which wallet I'm gonna use. I'm gonna use Paytm wallet. Select Paytm wallet, click submit. As you can see, this is the CC Avenue payment option of Paytm wallet. You have to enter your OTP. The OTP will be sent to your verified mobile number and you have to put the OTP here and click the verify option to complete the payment. As you can see, we have done the payment and the procedure has been done and the game has been added to our library section. You have to just go to the library section, but you can take a print also. Yes, there is a print option. As you can see, this is the print option. You can print the purchase history or invoice. You can print the invoice from here and you can directly install the game. As you can see, here is the option of install content. You can directly install the game from here. Let's go to library and check our game. Okay, click the library and as you can see, the game has been added to our library and now you can play the game. You can download the game as well as play the game. That's it guys. Thanks for watching this video and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye, sayonara, see you later.